What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel for a Miata video. I know you guys are probably stoked on that, at least the NC Miata guys are. I know we've been doing some fit content, but I promised you I would have something big for the Miata coming up, and you guys probably already see it in the title. We got the NOPRO rear bumper. And by NOPRO rear bumper, I mean this bottom diffuser here. This is actually an NC1 rear bumper that it was a little bit more expensive to ship everything, but I got this all for basically the same price as ordering a new NOPRO diffuser without the bumper. And the bonus of the NC1 bumper is that my NA retrofit taillights, if you haven't seen this video, go check it out in the corner here. These lights are NC1 housings. So my rear bumper now will match perfectly because I've always just had this little gap here. It's not super noticeable and I've honestly forgotten about it, but if it can be perfect, then bonus. So in this video, we're not just installing it, and I'm not gonna install it in this first part either because I'm sure if you see the thumbnail and everything like that, it's already on the car because I'm going to get it painted this weekend. To the paint shop, let's go, and then we'll get to installing everything. All right guys, it has been just about a month since I dropped off the bumper. Both bumpers got a respray, front bumper got a respray, and our NC1 bumper, obviously, painted beautifully. It looks great. It's all cut up, and it's ready for the NOPRO diffuser and install. So it's really windy, it's gonna storm soon, and I don't feel like fighting the weather if I don't have to. So I'm gonna just get to throwing it on. I haven't taken the back bumper off of this car before. We're gonna have to take out a rivet in the over fenders, which is pretty easy to do. But otherwise, let's get going. Guys, so we have finished up the NOPRO rear bumper. We have the full NOPRO kit on the NC Miata now, and it is just, it's so awesome. I'm so in love with it. We've got the front bumper, as you guys know. Front bumper is the ST, NOPRO ST bumper. Side skirts are the NOPRO TA side skirts. And we have our NC1 NOPRO rear diffuser, which is just so awesome. It makes the spoiler look a little bit taller, and it doesn't take too much off the rear bumper like I thought it might, but that third profile shot, or whatever you want to call this, it's so good. Oh, it looks like such a little race car time attack kind of thing, which is what I was going for, and we've accomplished that. And I'm just so stoked on this. I'm gonna take a few more beauty shots and we'll close this video out. So that's gonna be it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. NC Miata video. The body is basically done on this car. I'm so stoked. I hope you guys are too. If you are curious, this is NOPRO. All of it's NOPRO except for the spoiler, the hardtop, and you know, that kind of stuff. But the full body kit is NOPRO. You can find all their stuff on Google. I don't know. Those who are gonna ask for a link, they're all on Google. Search for them. But thanks so much for watching, guys. Stay tuned. We've always got more stuff coming for this. I still need to throw the new diff in, and we've still got a little bit of other odds and ends and things like that to do, and I'm always looking for new things to order and pick up. There's always plans for this car, so stay tuned. Go down below, hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up, leave your comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.